Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz. As you see, I have here with me a nice model, Mary from Ireland. We're gonna show you today how we're gonna wash her hair. Yes, we put her head a little bit like that, and we open the water, and then we try to wash her hair. Not too hot water and not too cold. So slowly, slowly. So now we put a little bit shampoo in her hair.
It's lovely having your hair washed.
So just try to massage the side also, and we do her hair, yeah, and then we wash it the first time, and now we're going to put another time shampoo to wash it again. So put some shampoo in the, so we're going to put again a nice shampoo, so we massage the hair, so make sure all the hair have shampoo. So we massage the hair, and then we go here to the side, we massage the hair, and then down. So let's make sure you wash it perfectly. So okay. Very nice. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put a mask in her hair. A special mask, tortilla mask. I'm gonna put a little bit mask in her hair, and we massage the hair. See? And we can leave it a little bit in her hair. You see, very nice conditioner, special treatment for her hair. You see, and it's very nice and soft. We take our comb, we comb the hair. See, it comes very fast, very nice. Okay. Now we're going to wash the mask. And nice, soft and shiny. Okay. Yeah, nice. So nice. She's ready, Mary.
Yes.
Mary is ready.
Lovely, thank you.
Did you like the hair wash?
It was lovely.
Yeah.
It's lovely having your hair washed.
She really liked the hair wash, so thank you very much for watching us, and we will say bye-bye.
Bye.